Backstreet's back. Oh, didn't see you there. But if you want to learn how to make $12 per song just listening to your AirPods, you're not going to want to miss this video. Stay tuned. If you're like me, then music is probably one of the most important things in your life. Nothing makes me feel better than sitting down after a long day and listening to my favorite musician or my favorite artist. So what type of perfect world would it truly be if you could make a living just by listening to your favorite music? Well, luckily, with the invention and popularization of the good old internet, this job now does exist. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can get paid up to $12 just by listening to a song. And before we actually get started, if you are new here, first of all, welcome to the Strongest Family on YouTube. And second of all, make sure you do two things. Tap the like button and make sure you tap that little red subscribe button. Turn on notification bells. Why? We will reveal later on, but I promise it will be worth it. And as I've said before, I am a man of the people. So I saw all of your comments asking for some making money online strategies that work outside of just the USA. And so we brought this brand new strategy that does work worldwide for you guys. And so let's get into exactly how this works. And so basically how any business works and how the economy works is when there's a problem, a business comes in and creates a solution to that problem. And the bigger the problem, the bigger the solution. And the bigger solution, the bigger the money is that's involved in that solution. And so the problem in our particular case and what this video is about is that struggling musicians or people who are just starting out as musicians are constantly looking for a way to get noticed and gain popularity both for themselves and of course for their music so that they can become the next Justin Bieber or Rockstar or whatever you're actually trying to become. And that is where Playlist Push comes in. So let's jump into my screen real quick and I'm gonna show you exactly how this works and how you can earn up to $12 just by listening to your favorite song. Let's go. So as you can see, we are on Playlist Push right here and you can see what do we do? Connecting artists to playlist curators. We help independent artists get their music on playlists and give playlist curators a way to monetize their playlists while discovering new music. We can see that they have 4 artists and they have 4 curators. And so if we click on 4 curators right here, this is how we're gonna actually make money doing this. You can see you can earn up to $12 per song. And so basically how this works is when musicians are looking to get their name out there, the best and easiest way to do that without having to go to like a record label or some thing that's really difficult to get and like only like the top 0.1% of people get, and the record companies take a big percentage of their money and they control like all of their rights and all these things. A lot of musicians nowadays with the independence of the internet, how anybody anywhere can create a huge following just by being consistent and putting out the best quality content. A lot of musicians nowadays are choosing to go the independent route and leverage resources like Playlist Push to take advantage of ways to get their name and get their music out there, again, without giving away a big percentage of their soul to a record company. And so you can see that they actually have weekly payouts. We pay out every Friday via PayPal. So it's it's as good as cash. It's not like gift cards or anything weird like that. Discover new music by independent artists for your playlist. Support indie artists. So the one thing that we have to actually do before we can really start earning, leveraging this site is you can see you have to have at least 400 followers on Spotify or Apple Music. And you might be saying to yourself, oh my gosh, Kevin, I don't have any followers on Spotify. I don't have any followers on Apple Music. Well, we're gonna show you some very easy ways to get this completely for free, to get 400 followers and how to do it fast. So let's jump into the next part of this video, showing you how to get those 400 followers so that you can start earning up to $12 per song sent out every Friday to your PayPal. So the first thing that you want to remember is even though you're allowed to actually create playlists on multiple different platforms, you want to stick to just one to start out. So we're going to talk about Spotify because Spotify probably has the most users. Apple Music I know is really climbing fast because they're such a powerhouse, but Spotify probably has the most users out of the 3. Most people have the app on their phone, which means it's going to be easier for you to actually get people to come over and click follow on your Spotify playlist. And if you don't know how to make a Spotify playlist, it's very easy. Just Google search how to make a Spotify playlist. Again, it's free to sign up. You don't have to join their paid plan or anything like that. So you can create a playlist completely for free. And so then once you do that, there's a number of creative ways that you're going to be able to actually get people to come and follow your your playlist and do it quickly. The first thing that you wanna remember is you wanna make a playlist on either hip hop or EDM, right? Because most of the people and most of the strategies that we're gonna talk about, the main type of music that the people that are gonna follow you listen to are EDM or hip hop. And if you're thinking to yourself, okay, Kevin, but how do I actually find the songs to put on that playlist? Well, it's easy, right? Just literally search top 100 most popular hip hop songs. You can see, the Billboard Top 100 in Google. You can see the top music on iTunes from Apple. You can see the top music from, YouTube, whatever's trending right now. Just take all of those songs, put them in a playlist, right? You don't need more than 20 to even 50 or maybe even like 100 if you're really going above and beyond. You can do it in less than half an hour, actually add all of these popular songs, find them from Google, find them from whatever source, make that playlist. And then once you have that, we're gonna talk about 3 strategies to actually get followers immediately so that you can start taking advantage of getting paid from Playlist Push. And so once you've actually put together your playlist of proven popular songs, the first strategy that we're gonna talk about is the subreddit Spotify playlist. So you can literally just go to reddit.com/r/Spotify playlist or just search Spotify playlist subreddit. You can see that there's a lot of people in here, making playlists 14 minutes ago, 2 hours ago, 1 hour ago, right? So there's people in here that are coming every single day. They have 16,000 people who are looking at these all day long. So all you have to do is, create a Reddit account if you don't have one, sign in, and then post your playlist. You don't want to put too many playlists, right? Probably keep it to like 1 or 2 a week. Say, best EDM playlist for June 2019 or something that's recent so people know that it's recent, because everybody wants to, pick up the most recent actual playlist. They don't want to listen to like old stuff. They want to listen to the brand new bangers. And so that's one strategy. The second strategy is if you're good at actual SEO, you can create a website. You can see here the best Spotify playlist right now, the 15 best Spotify playlists for the summer, right? These particular terms are getting a ton of traffic, but that one can be tough for most people. But if you are good at SEO, that is one way that you can do it. The third way, and probably the easiest and best way, is just to create an actual playlist as a YouTube video. And you can see that these get ridiculous viewership. This is 1 month ago, it has 1.6 million views. A month ago, 842,000 views, right? 4 days ago, you can see 75,000 views, 96,000 views 1 week ago. Everyone's taking advantage of the new Justin Bieber song that just came out recently. So, if you can create playlists that have brand new songs that a lot of people wanna hear and then upload them, onto YouTube, that's a really easy way to actually get a ton of people to actually subscribe to your Spotify playlist. And all you have to do is just link your Spotify playlist in the description of your YouTube video. And if 1% of the people actually subscribe to a playlist on this video, that would be like 16,000 people or something ridiculous. And then you could get paid a ton from your Playlist Push subscription because you've had a bunch of people that are coming over and subscribing to your playlist just from a simple YouTube video. And another option to get even more people to follow your playlist is a site called soundplate.com, where you can see that they have Spotify playlists, 100 top 100 future trap, total chill Spotify playlist, deep house, right? So this is a really good way. You can see that they have an entire category of Spotify and Deezer playlist sections organized by house, electronic, chill hop, chill, all of these different types of music for you to go ahead and create a playlist for. And then the last option is a site called playlists.net, and you can again put random 50, Amsterdam Waves, sci-fi, all of these different playlists that people are, everyday people are uploading just like you and me. You can see you can submit a playlist just by clicking this simple button. So if you do all of these methods, you could probably do it in less than a day. And if you don't have 400 followers after using all of these, then you're not working hard enough, because you could easily do this in less than a day. And then once you have over 400 followers on a playlist, you can continue to post new songs to that same playlist again and again and again, and continue to get paid again and again and again from Playlist Push. And a cool way that some of my students are using this strategy to scale to start making a significant amount of money actually doing this is they use a website called microworkers.com. And basically what microworkers.com is, you can hire real people from around the world to do little tasks just like this. So you can teach them how to actually make playlists, and put them on Reddit, on YouTube, on Soundplate, on playlist.net, on all of the resources that we've shown you, and grow those new playlists to over 400 followers. And so as you get better at actually doing this once, you can hire people people from microworkers.com to help you actually start to do it again and again, multiple different times, create a bunch of different playlists, and get paid for all of those playlists. And the more playlists you have, the more daily income that Playlist Push is going to send directly to your PayPal every single week. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you click that little subscribe button on the screen that you see right now, and check out this video right here where we teach you how to make money just by watching videos. Sounds hard to believe? I'll prove it to you. See you there. Let me ask you a quick question. What are you doing right now? Literally, what are you doing as we speak right now at this moment? You're watching a video, likely from the comfort of your own home on our old friend, the internet. Don't worry, it's what I do all the time as well.